Hey, what is up, everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for Shein Product Reviewer. So, first, in your Google search bar, search for Free Trial Center, Shein. Then, next is just click on the link that says Free Trial Center. You will then be redirected to the Free Trial Center page. And from here, you can start selecting up to three items that you can try for free. Say, for example, we want to take this product for free. From here, you will be prompted to sign in or register to your Shane account first. And from here, you will be asked to fill in the trial delivery address. This will serve as the address where you will receive the products that you can use for your product review. And once done, just click on submit. Next, just click on My Free Trial, and under the My Application section, you will see here all the approved items. That means that those items will be shipped to your address for free and you can proceed with your product review. So once you receive the products, immediately create a review and make sure that you submit your review within 10 days of receiving the product. Include an honest, detailed write up plus photos. And if your review is high quality, you might earn bonus points. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!